Dan Murphy, the Long Island Realtor here. Whether buying, selling, or investing in real estate, I can help you get to the closing table. The potential sellers that I've been speaking with share with me a few concerns in today's market that they have before they sell their home. In this video, I'm going to discuss a couple of those concerns. The first concern The first concern they have is, if I sell my home, will I be able to buy my next home? You know, buyers today are looking to buy homes before prices continue to appreciate, and they're also looking to take advantage of the historically low interest rates. These buyer needs are giving, sellers a tremendous amount of leverage. This leverage enables sellers to sell at a really good price and can be used to negotiate time to help them find their new home. For the buyer, selling at today's prices will help them take advantage of those low interest rates. And in return, the buyer can lease the property back to the seller for a specified period of time to help them find their next home. The second concern homeowners have is, will their home sell for asking price or top market price? This is a perfect time to maximize profit on the sale of a home. The National Association of Realtors just released a study showing that shows bidding wars are at all-time highs. If you compare the first quarter of 2020 to the first quarter of 2021, on average, there were 2.4 offers in 2021 on one home, and in 2021, in the first quarter, there was an average of 4.8. Whenever there's a bidding war, the price of the item for sale escalates. Bloomberg recently reported, and I quote, "For the first time ever, the average sale price of a home across the country has exceeded its list price." If you're a seller and you're looking for top dollar on your home, there's no better time to sell than right now. The third concern that homeowners have is they're not sure if they'll even get an offer if their home needs any kind of work or updates. This brings me back to leverage. Like I said earlier, sellers in today's market have a tremendous amount of leverage. Due to the lack of inventory, buyers are more willing to take on the home improvement projects themselves to get the home that they really want. In one of our recent blogs that I had sent out, there was a post that read this. It may be wise to let future homeowners remodel the bathroom or the kitchen to make design decisions that are best for their specific taste and lifestyle. As a seller, your dollars and time might be better spent working on small cosmetic updates, like refreshing some paint and power washing the exterior, instead of over-investing in your home with upgrades that the buyers may change anyway. Work with a real estate professional to determine the key projects that will maximize your listing without overdoing it. If sellers are worried about doing these projects themselves, they must realize that in today's market, the historically low inventory likely renders these projects as being less critical than they think. Fourth thing that homeowners are concerned with is they don't know if they'll have a quick closing process. A couple of things that the sellers should look at. Number one, the time it takes for a buyer to actually find a home and make an offer and have it accepted. And the next thing is, at that point, how long it's going to take to close. In the latest home sales report, the National Association of Realtors explains properties typically remained on the market for 18 days in March, down from 20 days in February, and from 29 days in March of 2020. 83% of the homes sold in March 2021 were on the market for less than a month. 18 days is a fast time, and it's actually a record for the country. In this chart, it shows the days on market for all the states throughout the country. And on average, the days on market for the United States was 18. The bottom line is this: selling your home could be a daunting process, especially in a fast-paced market. However, the fact that we're in such a fast seller's market eliminates many common concerns. If you have any questions or concerns, let's connect today and let's talk about how I can help you get your home sold. I'm Dan Murphy, the Long Island Realtor. Have a good day.